Another live trading session. I do journal these trades just to give me 1 second. I do journal these trades just to journal my trades. I go over these trades on the weekend and I just let you guys in on my live trading, you know what I'm saying? So let me get my broker ready. Market should be about to open in a couple seconds. We had a decent day yesterday. We hit SPY 40%, and then we hit QQQ 18%. So we watching closely. Tesla's in a downtrend. I seen AMD falling. So we're gonna wait and see what the market wants to present to us today. So let's see what happens. What it do, Eric? What it do? Good morning. Good morning. Quote of the day. Good morning. Good morning. What it do? What it do? So SPY went up yesterday, fell back down overnight. So we want to see if SPY can hold its resistance. Overhead. That 610 is the same level that we got rejected from yesterday. We actually went up, but we kept getting rejected off this 610 right here. Pre-market. Right there. So we watching that. Let's see what happens. We can only do what the market presents to us. So let's see. AMD pretty weak. Meta weak as well. Big wick on Meta. Tesla kind of strong. Look at that. AMD. I'm watching AMD. See if we can get a pullback. It's 17 degrees in Texas. Oh man, I think we got that cold coming over here in Georgia too. What it do, Car Bear? It's raining right now. So we wanted to see what SPY can do right here. SPY is sitting at the pre-market low. We want to watch SPY and QQQ to take our entries. So let's let the market do what it wants to do. And then we'll see where we can find the money. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to find the money, baby. MU has been uptrending. But it might be pulling back a little bit. SPY is holding its lows. "21 seconds on this candle. Let's see what happens. What is that? Amazon? All right, SPY. Big wicks on the video. Tesla pretty strong right here. Tesla probably gonna get rejected though. Not forcing none today. Let's see what happens. We need Tesla to get over 361. We do have FOMC numbers coming out at 2 a.m. I mean, not 2 a.m., 2 p.m. So I wouldn't be surprised if you see a little chop today. Damn, Tesla. Okay. See if Tesla can get above these highs. Microsoft too. Tesla trying to get over that yesterday's high. That's yesterday's high from Tesla. We get over that high and get a good pullback. I'll take an entry on Tesla, but let's wait and see. 3 seconds on this candle. It's 9:36. MU. All right. I wouldn't be surprised if SPY gets rejected right here at this 610. Let's wait and see what happens. Tesla, a little rejection. So nothing is really giving me a trend. You know, we're looking for the trend first. We want to find us a trend. Tesla giving me a good looking start of a trend, but we want to see some strength out of QQQ and SPY. Definitely don't want a doji candle right there. "24 seconds on this candle." All right, Tesla pulling back a little bit. AMD. See what happens here. Look at Meta. Watching SPY. Let's see if we break down right here under this open price level. This open price level is sitting at right around 610. 610. Yeah, right around 610. Oh, it's Microsoft. All right, SPY's going under that. SPY's going under that open price level a little bit. If Meta get under this 700, it's gonna be a wrap. Look at Meta. Okay, Meta. All right. It's only 9:39. Market's only been open for 10 minutes. We got a lot of time. Don't need to rush in anything. Still kind of in a little range right now. Let's see if Meta can pull back though. Damn, look like Meta the chart. Meta just bounced. Oh, Meta under that 700. All right. Ooh, shit. I need to pull back on Meta. It's probably gonna go back up and retest that 700. It just got under 700. If you don't know any whole number like 700, 750, any $50 level, 700, 750, 800, 850 is always a strong. It's called a micro level. It's always a strong level. So we get under 700 and a hold under 700. I'll take an entry on Meta, but I needed to give me an entry. I'm not just gonna rush into a trade. I needed to give me an entry, give me some kind of setup. Oh, look at Tesla. See if Tesla can close above right here. $9:41 on the clock. Meta bounce back. All right, Tesla. I could take an entry on Tesla right now, but I'll be very aggressive. 359. Ooh, shit. Tesla contracts high, boy. Wait on the pullback on Tesla. Pull back on Tesla, pull back on Meta. What is it, 2? $9.43. Nothing's really broke any kind of range right now except Tesla. Damn. I should have just jumped in. Tesla just do his own thing. You got to be so aggressive with Tesla. You just got to be. Tesla can do his own thing. I should have just jumped in, but it's all good. We can wait for a pullback. Microsoft pulling back. Damn, Tesla. See when we get a pullback. QQQ is getting under open price level. I mean, not open price, pre-market low level. See if Tesla can pull back. Damn, Tesla. I should have just took that Tesla over high of day right there. It's all good. I don't chase no chart. Let it do its thing. The video breaking down a little bit. 9:44 on the clock. Spy sitting in the range. Tesla. Damn, I should have just jumped in Tesla. Everything is ranging right now except Tesla. Broadcom. Okay, I see Broadcom also. Fuck. Tesla just doing his own thing, man. Goddamn Tesla. Shit. All right, it's 9:46. Let's check our our ORB. Our ORB ranges. Let's see what's going on. Tesla probably about to pull back. Damn, Meta just gave me an entry. I'm gonna load up Meta puts. They're kind of high now. I'll load up Meta 690 puts. I'm loading them up. Let's see what happens here. We downtrended pre-market a little bit. Look like we just flagging a little bit. But let me check the ORB. Meta still sitting in a range. Fucking Tesla, man. Damn, I should have just jumped in right there. Soon as it closed above, I should have just jumped in. That's how you got to be with Tesla, though. Damn. Tesla was the chart, bruh. Tesla was the chart. That bitch went from $3.55. It's already moved $10. Missed that. But it didn't even give us no entry, though. I'm going to go ahead and move to the 5-minute chart, guys. I'm going to move to the 5-minute chart. Moving to the 5-minute chart. I haven't took any entries today yet. Fucking Tesla, man. Look at Tesla, bro. Shit, I should have just jumped in that shit. AVGO. So we clearly see SPY is weak, but it ain't really giving us no momentum moves. You know what I'm saying? But let's see what happens. 225.87. Y'all see how SPY ain't did nothing? It's just been sitting there. QQQ, same thing. Tesla pulling back a little bit. All right, we got SPY. SPY to the downside. SPY is touching the 200 moving average on the 15-minute. Let's see if it's touching it on the 1 hour. All right, we bouncing off a little bit. Tesla still pulling back. Like I said, we do have FOMC numbers coming out at 2 p.m. later. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a little chop. See how we going back up in the range. Really ain't got no clean movements except Tesla. But Tesla pulling all the way back right now. If you don't see your setup, don't take an entry. Don't rush into nothing. Today was the day to rush into Tesla though, but I ain't want to break my rule today. Look like I should have. Everything is going back up in the range. Watching SPY to the downside. If SPY can lose this 609, we'll be straight, but we're just going back up in the range, man. Tesla just turned right around. Tesla ain't do nothing but turn right around. Look at this shit right here. INTC puts, SPY stuck in ORB. Yeah, it is. But it look like it's about to break ORB though. Look like it's about to break towards the downside, but watch this Tesla, man. I'll use this candle as a pullback. Let's see what Tesla does right here. Tesla's the only one that's broke the ORB range. He said INTC puts. Oh shit. Okay. Where is INTC low at? 25. I swear my daughter TV got his own mind. This bitch just be turning on. I like spot puts. We can get over 609, but we just ranging, man. You can't do nothing when you just sitting in the range. Nothing you can do. All you can do is go in there and lose your money. That's what you can do right now. Spies wicking. INTC look like it want to hold that level right there. Yeah, man, we ranging. It's only 9:57. I am on a 5-minute chart. All right, QQQ. I'm watching QQQ 537 puts. QQQ 537 puts. Look in the video. Damn. Missed my entry on the video. The video is breaking that ORB right now. All right, I got them QQQ puts loaded up. If we pass this counter right here, I'll take an entry on QQQ puts. All right, guys, I'm in QQQ puts. I'm in light as hell. Let's see what happens here. It just now breaking the ORB range a little bit. Let's see if we can get a continuation. My stop loss is above this pre-market low right here. I'm in light. Let's see what happens here. I'll size in if we can get some kind of movement. We close below it again. See if we can get a continuation. JBLU puts. All right. You like penny stocks. JetBlue down 13% right now. I am in 0 DTE. Let's see what QQQ wants to do right here. It's sitting under the ORB range right now. So, but SPY over here gonna do his own thing. Watch. Tesla still pulling back. Never gave a continuation candle. Meta look like it's about to go. Still in QQQ puts. I'm down 14%. Stop loss is pre-market low right here. I just see the little downtrend. We really didn't get a trend, but we sitting under pre-market low, and we about to break what we have broke ORB. Yeah, we sitting right under it. So see if we can get a continuation right here. Come on, QQQ. Damn, look at Meta. Shit, missed that entry. That's the entry I was waiting on, under 700. Meta. Meta still sitting in the range too. SPY just keep getting rejected. Y'all see that right there? SPY keep getting rejected. All right, I'm in. All right, there we go. 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 Up 6%. 6%. I told you I was about to drop off. Let's go. Drop down, SPY. Go ahead. SPY don't want to go. QQQ going though. QQQ sitting at 3% right now. My average probably gonna be a little off because I did add a little bit more. I ain't want to confuse you guys, but I did add a little bit more. But y'all know how to manage your trades. Stop loss is pre-market high, pre-market low right here. Manage your trades. We got the entry. Let's see if we can get a continuation right here. SPY just kept getting rejected. So obviously SPY don't like them highs today. So hopefully QQQ can get this money like we doing right now. Let's go, baby. We up 7%. There we go. 10%. 10%, baby. Let's go. 11%. 12. I am taking a trim. I'm taking a small trim right here. 13%. See if we can keep breaking down. We might pull back a little bit. There we go, QQQ. Still up 7%, 9%. Told y'all. 18%. Let's go, baby. I told y'all. Let's go. We get 20, 30%. I'm taking my money. There goes SPY. I told y'all SPY was about to break down. Come on. Let's go. Go ahead, SPY. You ain't got no strength. You weak as hell. Go ahead, get down there. We're still up 12% on the runners. Let's go, baby. I already took a trim. All we got to do right now is manage our trade. We already took a trim. We're going back up a little bit. I hope y'all took a trim. Take some green. Take some green. We still up 5% right now. Gonna hold a little bit. Let's see if we can get a little bit more out of it. Damn, look at Meta. I told you Meta was about to drop off too. QQQ got to get under this 200 moving average on the 15 minute. We're still up 7%. SPY hasn't broke the ORB yet. Trying to though. We're still up 4%. I hope y'all took some green. Take some green. See if we can get some more out of this. Let's go, QQQ. SPY need to get rejected again. We down 1% on my runners. 1%. Let's go. Let's get some more. We're sitting at break even right now. If you're afraid, get out. If you're afraid, you can exit. We're sitting at break even right now. All right, SPY got rejected. There goes QQQ. We're sitting at 10% right now on my runners. We up 10%. There we go. 13%. Let's go. 22%. Let's go. 29%. There we go. 28%. Go ahead and break down if you're going to go. 35%. All right, I'm taking my 35%. 35%. I'm taking my 35%. Oh, shit. We hit their ass up again. It's 2 days in a row, man. Let's go. 35%, baby. I'm good with that. I told you I only shoot for 30. I use enough size to where I can make money with 20, 30%, 40%. I don't need to make. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? I'm good. I'm out of that trade. QQQ puts. I'm out. We hit 35. You see, I get my money and get out. Let it continue. You can let everything. You can keep going if you want, but I know the breakout. I'm good. Get in, get out, get your money. That's 2 green days. Give me 1 second. I ain't gonna lie. When I added, man, I was heavy. I was heavy as hell. I ain't gonna cap. But we good though. That was a nice trade. See how you get in, get out of there. Get in, get your money, get out. Let's go, Sean. That boy Sean been hitting with me. He hit with me yesterday too. Let's go. 44% QQQ puts. Let's go. Y'all see the comment. Let's go. We do this every day. Every day the market open, we do this. Let it pull back. You see what I'm saying? We got our money out of it. We got in right over here. Let's go. Oh shit, boy. Ain't nothing like waking up, pressing buttons, and making money. Like this shit almost goddamn a dream, boy. I'm glad as hell I found this shit, boy. Every time, I don't know. Every time you can do this shit quick, you just go back to damn this shit. Why people ain't locked into something like this, bruh? I literally wake up, press buttons, make a couple hundred, couple thousand on some good days. You know what I'm saying? This shit, we do this shit every day, man. We live 9:30 every day, man. You said you got inspired. Didn't know which one you was in. I was in QQQ. I didn't get inspired because SPY never. All right, let me show you real quick. SPY never broke the ORB range. It's just not breaking it. You see that? It's just not breaking it. QQQ been broke it. Go to ORB on QQQ. Look at this. QQQ been broke it. You see that? QQQ had been broke the range. That's that blue line right there. That's QQQ's previous all-time high from last week, not the one from yesterday. But look, QQQ had already broke it right here. So y'all see me looking around. I'm looking at other charts. I got 3 screens right here. I got my laptop. I got a screen right here. I have a screen right here, and I got my iPad right here. What I trade off of. If I get the 2 trades, I'll be on my iPad and my phone. You know what I'm saying? So I'm looking at the screens for you guys. So he said in the video, all right, AT&T burn, best stock hands down. AT&T burn. What's that ticker symbol? Eric? Sean said in the video. But yeah, I'm gonna break that down in a minute. You're right. Let me look at this in the video right quick. We hit their ass up, boy. We hit them boys up. I don't even know what we hit. What we hit, 40%? We hit 40. I got out at 36%. But I did average in 900% on what? T is the ticker symbol? 900%. Who hit 900%? All right, we got a little uptrend right here. Got a little uptrend right here. I would take an entry if we get above this open price level right here, that yellow line right there. If we get up above it and hold it, I'll take an entry on that. That's what I would do on that. But y'all know I usually focus. I look at other stocks if it's looking great. I look at other stocks, but I usually focus on about 10 to 12 stocks. SPY, QQQ. No, let me pull my chart back up. My bad. But I usually focus on 10 stocks: SPY, QQ, AMD, Amazon, Meta, Tesla, Apple, Google, AVGO, and MU. Those are the stocks I look at every day. Those are the stocks I look at when market open, before market open. Those are the stocks I look at overnight when I'm just journaling and stuff. Those are the stocks I look at. I want to break down this QQQ trade and why I took it right quick, just for my journaling purposes. When I go over on the week, when I go over my trades on the weekend. See SPY right now, that's a good entry right there. You see that right there? You see we under the ORB. We finna break it. You could take that entry right there. I ain't taking it though. I don't like how SPY keep going up in the range. But that's a good entry right there. I ain't gonna cap. The Nvidia kind of too much of a pullback for me. You see all this volume on this counter right here? This down here, the volume. See that big green counter right there? Kind of too much volume for me to get in off of that pullback. See our spot going back in range? That's why I just said I ain't taking that. It's too many wicks for me, man. I want to see a clean chart. And QQQ was the cleanest to me. But now here on QQQ, yeah, it was simple. QQQ, I just waited for the ORB to break. That's all I did. I just been sitting here waiting for the ORB to break, watching other stocks. Soon as it broke right here, that's when I took my entry. Let me see. I think I took an earlier entry than that. I took this entry right here. Right here. We closed under, and then this continuation counter right here. That's where I took my entry at right there. But I was just waiting for the ORB level to break. Those are those pink lines right there. So I seen the downtrend started pre-market. Same thing as yesterday. I seen the downtrend started pre-market. This is why I watched pre-market. Came down. Lower lows, lower highs. Kept coming down. And market opened up. We went up, got wicked off of. We wicked off of that previous high and came down. All I did is just wait on that big green pullback right there. Waited for it to close under ORB level, and that's when I took the entry. We hit 35% right there. Let's see if we can find something else. What time is it? 10:17. VZ is next. Been going up since. I don't chase. I'm just saying, all right. But now we're going back up in the range. Y'all see the stocks? Look at that. That's ugly right there. You don't want to mess with that right there. You don't want to mess with none of that right there. You don't want to mess with none of that. We are on a 5-minute chart. Tesla. This is why I didn't want to chase Tesla. So I'm pretty sure everybody's seen that breakout and everybody jumped in Tesla. Now everybody probably sitting there wishing they ain't jump in because it ain't even moving like it was. You know what I'm saying? That's why I don't chase no chart right there. Because at first, Tesla was the only chart breaking out of the ORB. I'm pretty sure everybody watching for the breakout, waiting for the breakout. But let me go look at these stocks and see what's going on. SPY went back up in the range. QQQ is under range. Is out of the ORB range under, but if I was you, if you want to take I'm not getting back in QQQ, but if you want to take a entry on QQQ, I would wait for it to reject off this 9 EMA and look for a continuation under this lower day right here. But I would be very cautious because it is sitting right around the 200 moving average. Let me show you guys. So when I'm looking at the other screen over here, when you guys don't see what I'm doing, I'm looking at the 1 hour chart. Looking at the 1 hour, the 15-minute, on a bigger time frame. That's all I'm doing right here. See this 200 moving average right here? That's sitting right under SPY, also sitting right at QQQ. That's why QQQ not really pushing off of that ORB level. But that's why I said, y'all, we got to wait on our setup. You just got to be cautious. You got to wait for your pullback. That was a nice trade, though, that QQQ. See if we can see something else. We hit them up, boy. Who got in that trade with me? I know Sean got in. I think I didn't kind of glad I went back to that ORB. The ORB kind of avoids me from getting into a lot of chop. I should have been using it. I used to use it, but I just stopped. I'm definitely going back to using that. You know how you start learning different shit? You be like, all right, I don't need that no more. Shit, yes, you do. You start getting caught in chop and stuff. You need that ORB. All right, Amazon breaking down again. Amazon, oh shit. QQQ might give another entry. Look at this. There's your entry on QQQ if you want to take it. I'm not taking it right now. I don't like how SPY keep going up in range. SPY can make QQQ do the same thing because if you don't know, SPY and QQQ kind of move almost identical. So luckily, QQQ gave us the moves. You see, SPY didn't even give it to us. Most of the time, if I see any kind of setup on QQQ and it's looking right, like this is my go-to setup. My go-to setup, what I look for. If we pass the pre-market high or the pre-market low, or if we get above the pre-market, if we get below the pre-market low or the pre-market high, pre-market low and yesterday's low. If we get below pre-market low and yesterday's low, I'm definitely gonna take that entry. And we pull back and get a good pullback, I'm always gonna take the entry. If we get above pre-market high and pre-market and yesterday's high, I'm always gonna take that entry. That's my A+ setup. Break the pre-market low and yesterday's low and get a retest, I always take that entry. I'm always gonna take it. Even if I'm in only one contract, I'm gonna just see what's going on. What it do, Mason? What it do? Made 19% on one con. Oh, you was in QQQ with us? All right. Hell yeah. On Q. Eric said I used to do it on the 5-minute open candle. Oh no. That's too too fast for me. You know what I'm saying? I need to dissect it a little bit. I wait for the 15-minute candle. What it do, Mason? What it do? We hit early on QQQ already. We hit 35% right here. We basically hit them 3 red candles right there and got out. You got to be in and out, especially with this Trump market, man. You got to be in and out because Trump can go say any kind of news and the market be all over the place. Y'all know what Trump can do. He can say anything and the market would just move crazy. So with these type of markets, you just got to be in and out. Last time Trump was in office, I was trading, but I wasn't really in options. I was mainly on long-term stocks type stuff. But I see the volatility, what he can do. So you just got to be real cautious, man. Everybody be real cautious. Trying to see if we can find us something else, but SPY going back in range, QQQ, too much of a pullback for me right there. You just got to know your A+ setup. I want y'all to get to be able to do this shit on y'all own. I want y'all to make this money on y'all own. Like y'all don't have to need nobody. Y'all don't have to need no Discord. I want everybody to get to that level so we all can get this money. Broadcom. He said, Garber said, why you stop using that, Eric? Why you stop using that 5-minute opening candle? Oh yeah, Mason. I would have taken profit at pre-market and previous day levels. Oh, you talking about Q? Yeah, I had that in my head. I said, all right, I might take profit right here at this low of yesterday. This is the low of yesterday, but me knowing charts, I know that I have to, just because it's that is the level right there, 536, but you want to treat every level like an area. So just knowing it's going down towards that way, you know it can bounce any way in that area. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I just rolled it down. So I seen it a little rejected a little bit, and then I got out, took my 35. And trust me, I've lost a lot holding shit. I've learned me getting in quick, 30-40%, get out. That helps. That's way better for me, way better for my stress. Because you don't want these charts to stress you out, because they will stress you out. You don't want to be over here praying to God that a goddamn stock could go up or down, because God ain't got nothing to do with these goddamn stocks. Yeah, all we can go is by our technicals. Stock market gonna do whatever it want to do. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. But y'all know that's why you got to keep your risk intact. Have great risk management. Don't blow your account up. Keep your stop losses. Always have a stop loss. Always have a stop loss. I don't give a damn if you just pinpoint something on the chart. Say, all right, get right there. I'm getting out. You always need to have a stop loss, because you don't want no goddamn chart just going the opposite way of what you trying to go, and you just sitting there losing money. Come on now, who just want to sit there and losing money? I used to get in the stocks. If I know I used to do this all the time. I don't know why. I would get into a trade knowing I shouldn't be in that trade, but I would just sit there. I'd be like, all right, I'm gonna lose this money just so I know not to fucking get back in no shit like this. I used to do that to myself, bro. I'm about to drop off. Yeah, man. SPY is up in that range. I thought MU was gonna break out today, but MU ain't doing nothing. QQQ, I'm saying, like, we already got the range. I mean, we already got the little move that it did do this morning. So if you probably not gonna see a bigger move until like 12:30. So most of the time, if you don't see a chart making a move like SPY right now, I'm pretty sure it'll make a move by noon. About 12:30, 2:30, around them times, you want to watch the charts. Always noon, right around noon. If you're waiting on the chart to make a move, wait until about noon. Look at the video going back up. Tesla went up, not doing nothing no more. Sideways, moving sideways. Amazon went down a little bit. Google sitting in the range, no trade zone right here, baby. You see shit like that, no trade zone. Microsoft, AMD sitting in the range. Only thing not in the range right now is about Meta, but it's going back up in the range. But we found a decent chart today, got a decent trade out of it. So I'm gonna call it a day right here, guys. I'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. I'll be back tomorrow. We hit 35% on QQQ. That was a nice trade. And we're gonna be back tomorrow to try to get some more money. Look at SPY getting rejected again. But y'all be easy. He said you trade SPX too. Yeah. Let me tell y'all a secret about SPX. So if you trade in SPY, SPX charts run exactly how SPY charts run. So if you buy SPX contracts, but you watch SPY chart, it's gonna do the same thing, and you make more money off of SPX contracts. If anybody ever told you that, there you go. If you like, I get in the SPY, sometimes I get in the SPX. It's the same shit. You know what I'm saying? K Capital's taught me 5-minute ORB. I think K Capital used 15-minute. I'm pretty sure he do use a 15-minute. I don't know. 5-minute ORB. I never use that's too quick for me. I need a 15-minute. Not saying it don't work. It probably do work. I've never tried it before, but yeah. But any kind of ORB breakout you can use, to be honest, just keep a tight stop. Even if it break out of the 15-minute ORB, we still need to keep a tight stop because look, you see how QQQ broke the ORB. And just because it broke the ORB don't mean it's just gonna continue. You see what I'm saying? This the ORB level, the pink level right there. It broke. We got that right there when it broke, and now it's going back up. So just because it's ORB don't mean it's gonna keep going down, down, down. You still gotta have a stop. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't know if I would. I don't know. I probably would try the 5-minute. It got to be a real trendy day for me though. But yeah, man, it was a great trade today. Hit up QQQ. It broke the ORB. We just got in right here at the break of the ORB puts. Got 35% out of them two red counters right there. We probably was only in the trade 15, 20 minutes. We weren't even in that long. 35% right there on that candle. Now we going back up. But all right, guys, that's gonna be my day for trading, man. I'm live every day, 9:30. We got 2 green trading great days in a row, man. 2 green trading days in a row, and I get this shit out for free. Oh shit, look at SPY. We must have some news. Y'all see that? Yeah, I don't know what that was. But all right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I'll be back tomorrow 9:30 sharp. And y'all have a great day.